So in this how-to video with the Dickens Journal's online website, we're going to see how we can search by author or search by article to find content that we need or want to read in the archive. And an obvious way in which we might come to Dickens Journals online is because we've got an author's name, we know that they published something there and we want to find it. So search by author, it's an obvious place to start, and we have a listing from A to Z, but you might very well want to filter that out by name or surname. So let's say, for the sake of argument, that you've heard that the writer, novelist George Meredith published something in one of Dickens's journals, and you want to find out what it was that he published. You would type in his name, and you'd try and do it correctly. George Meredith, and you'd hit search and see what you come up with. And there it is. There are no fewer than 22 articles in the archive by Meredith. And if you then click on the read more, you can get an introduction and a profile of Meredith in some detail, which is taken from Anne Lawley's superb contributors book. And you can also click on the list of articles, 22 articles, and that will then convert into a list of those articles, and you can hopefully find the one that you need. Now, let's say, for the sake of argument again, that you wanted in particular the poem by George Meredith and edited to the extent that he gets a byline by the journal's sub-editor William Henry Wills, the poem called Time. You can click on the glasses, and that will take you to the facsimile page from the journal, and you can read it. Or if you wanted to output that into a format that you can use, you can export the full article and all the details about Meredith that we just saw a moment ago. So we click on the PDF, and that's going to take us to the poem, which is reformatted here. And then if you scroll down, you've got that biodata, and you've also got a citation in MHRA style, which comes